2017 Sea Ray 230 SLX. Complete black hull, docking lights on a tandem axle trailer with brakes and swing away tongue. Designated anchor storage. Large swim platform with manual drop down swim step. Bravo 3 drive. Starting from the back of the boat, see the nice big sun pad with flip up backrest, easy walk-in transom, pressured water system, stereo remote control, speakers on the back, full arena style seating, passenger buddy seat with flipping backrest, thigh-rise bolster, captain's chair with thigh-rise bolster. This also swivels, slides, and has height adjustment. Full instrumentation, 13-person capacity, acrylic walk-through door. Up into the bow, there's a cockpit table that's stored in this compartment. You can mount there or also back in the cockpit. This has a 6.2 liter 300 horsepower Mercruiser engine, digital throttle and shift, Mercury Smartcraft. Boat has 233 hours on it. Mercruiser 6.2 liter 300 horsepower. Taking a quick video of the boat with the covers off. Sorry about the tight squeeze here. Hard to get to that side.